friends, Running Kimono here. We're going to be looking at this top booster today, 31% back on a $20+ purchase of candy. And this is valid for Wednesday, October the 25th only. The one down below is a week-long booster for all week long. And the two are in fact stacking. If you are so lucky to have a paper booster, I would recommend to do these deals in store to get a triple stack going. So this is the one for today, and I believe that both yesterday and today, they are not stacking the two boosters, but this specific one with the one from yesterday are the best candy deal. The one for tomorrow, we'll talk about it at the end. It's not as good as this one. Okay, so for deal number one, just hopping right into these deals, you need your two best friends loaded, which is 31% on 20, and the 6-pack when you spend 25. And that 6-pack when you spend 25 is of a one-time use, so if you bought something earlier this week, you're out of luck. We're going to be grabbing 12 candies on a buy one, get one free promotion. Laffy Taffy, 100 grand. It's not just the Hershey's brand that we were looking at yesterday. If you can find all Hershey's, it's a better deal. So we're at $33.94. We have one IVC coming off for Hershey because I had some peanut butter cups in there. Free curbside pickup and no tax. So with my debit card, I'll pay $32.94 and then get back $16.23. Now, obviously, if you are trying to get a $20 basket on the nose, calibrate a little less than what I threw into this basket. But a lot of the Laffy Taffy and other weird candy items, it was all over the place. So that's why I put 12 in. But $16.23 back, not a bad deal. Basically shakes these bags out to $1.33 each, which is some value, especially if you have a lot of trick-or-treaters or if you just want to stockpile some candy. Okay, so the second deal that we're going to look at, you need your two best friends loaded, 31% off of a $20 purchase, and then 6 back when you spend 25. We're going to be grabbing two of these assorted candy bars. It's in larger markets. If you live in a tiny town, you might not have it in stock, but if you live in a larger city, they probably have them. So two for $35.18 on a BOGO 40% off. Load this friend, which is a 4 off of 2, and it is attaching to those candy bars. And we are going to add the code OCT15 for $467 off, along with the digital coupon. So that's like $867 off for you. So looking at the overall basket, we just talked about the math. Tax is $219. Oh my gosh. With your debit card, pay $28.70 and then get back $16.85. So it basically makes, the two $11.85 with the tax included. So not the worst deal. Okay, friends, now we're looking at just an alternative deal. If you couldn't find those larger candy bars, load these two boosters and make this deal happen today, Wednesday, October the 25th. We're going to grab one of these assorted bags for $9.99 on a BOGO 40% off, and then 2 bags of the M&Ms. I know a lot of you are bakers, and there's a lot you can do at Christmas time with those M&Ms. The overall basket is $31.98. That OCT15 took $4.80 off. Free curbside pickup, pay with your debit card, $29.42. You're getting back $15.61, essentially half of what you're paying. So, not the worst deal for all of that Mars candy and the M&Ms. Deal number 4. We're going to need our two friends loaded, again, the two boosters. And this one, we're going to grab 8 of these buy one get one frees for the fun size M&Ms, and then 2 bigger bags of the Halloween style M&Ms. So the overall basket for this candy delight is $31.96. The code WAG10 took off 80 cents. Free curbside pickup and a bit of tax. Pay $33.73 with your debit card and get back $15 in Walgreens cash. Now, just to note something, for a lot of people that were asking, we're doing these deals in store. Yes, you can use manufacturer register rewards to pay down your balance because these balances are scary, just like Halloween. So feel free to do that. So the final deal that we're going to look at is deal number 5. You need your 2 boosters loaded, and we're going to grab 2 of these Yum Earth organic lollipops for $35.18, not chocolate. And the overall sum, $35.18. Use the code OCT15 for $5.28 off. Curbside pickup is free. Pay $32.37 with your debit card and get back almost $17 in Walgreens cash. Not bad. Okay, last thing I want to talk about is this. And if you look at the math for this, this is the 26th, which is Thursday's promotion. So $5 reward when you buy 4 selected Halloween candy items at $3.99. Now, the problem with that is if you look at the math, 5 divided by 4, it's $1.25 reward per product. Getting 10 back when you spend 31 or 31% off of a $20 basket, so much better than this one. So just to explain that, get out and make those candy deals happen today.